This is Jinzhong Shanxi Province, China, the paradise of noodles.
多彩猫耳朵 There is a traditional food in Jinzhong called 猫耳朵. In Jin dialects, it is called 鸽朵. It's catchier from the name, but not real one. While it is a kind of delicious flower food, 猫耳朵 has a long history. It is similar to the 窝驼 mentioned in the 齐民要术 of the Northern Wei dynasty. It is shaped like a cat's ear, small and exquisite. It is named from the method of manufacture and shape. The beginning of ge in the Jin language means many wrinkles. 朵 means a curly shape. 鸽朵 is similar to the pronunciation of 猫耳朵 in Mandarin. Therefore, it is often called 猫耳朵, which is a kind of long-lasting popular flower.